what's up guys? Today we'll be unpacking the contents of this Happy Mail. This is from, her name is Savvy. I had to black out her addresses for privacy reasons, but I'm excited to open it. It's kind of long overdue. I actually received it a while back, but I've just been so busy. I was also out of town, so I didn't get to do it until now, and I figured maybe it'll be a great video. So look how cute. She like personalized it. Like she knows I love boba and she drew a freaking boba. Oh my gosh. And look at that packaging. It's adorable. So right now we're on the floor. I'm gonna cut this open. Oh my gosh. Wow, look how stuffed that is. Oh my gosh, are you guys getting that? Let me see if I can zoom in with this. Okay, probably not. But look how cute. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. I have an idea. Because this, like, fur rug is just gonna capture so much of the fuzzies. So I am going to, oh, this will be cute. Get some paper and not be that messy. That'll do, right? So I could easily put this in the recycling. Oh, what is this? This is so cute. There's like these adorable flourishings. Okay, I thought it was gonna be messier than I thought. Oh, another heart. Oh my gosh. Such a thoughtful packaging. I love this. This is just fun. It's like with Easter around the corner. Well, am I releasing this before Easter or after Easter? If it's already after Easter, happy Easter. If not, then I hope you enjoy your Easter season. Look at that. You just stuff it in an egg with candy. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh, the packaging's so cute. All right, this is my receipt, I believe. Oh, even with a note. It's so cute. The handwritten note. Thank you. Oh my gosh. So thoughtful. Okay, sorry, I was reading it. All right. So the packaging is so cute that I just don't want to open it now. Whoops. Oh my gosh. Can I just leave it like this? No, I can't. I can't do that. Oh my gosh, how adorable. Okay. Here we go. Oh my gosh, okay, I have to be like very, very strategic with this. But that's so cute, look at that. Do you guys see the glitz and glam of this? Oh, her card is so cute. Look at, oh my gosh, Savvy, you're so beautiful. Wow, this is so cute. I'll put that down there. Is this like a bag or I think it is, I don't know. I don't, do I want, let's, all right. Oh, some of it went in there. Okay, cool. So this is, oh my gosh, cute hugs. Absolutely adore. Let's get some of that glitter off. Oh, it's stuck on me. Oh, are those unicorns? Look at that. Oh, I can't take it off. So, do I open it that, or actually, no, I don't have to open it that way. I could just open it this way, right? Just talking to myself. There you go. Oh, it is kind of tight, so I'm gonna have to, oh, I don't want to rip open the sticker. Let me see if I could get it through. Oh, no, I ripped the paper instead. I didn't mean to. Oh well. Oh, but guys, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but there's a design on the paper too. Like, how adorable is that? That is so cute. I don't know if you can tell. Let me see. No, okay. I really don't know how to work a zoom feature on a GoPro. I don't know if it will do that. So, aw. I think her handwriting is super unique. If you notice, all her O's are hearts. Like, how adorable. Oh my gosh. Aww. She is so inspiring. Savvy. Like, oh my gosh. What? 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 Aww. So, she's so sweet. Oh, she even added some extras. So, this is so cute. First of all, I love the way I found her page is like when I saw this. I don't know how, or like I've heard of her, but I don't think I really started following her keenly until this came out, and I was like, oh, and then I got to know her shop better, and it's like so cool. So I love anything like with sweets, and this will go with my other planner. Let me go grab it really quick. Ugh. So you see this planner I have here. This house is my mini happy planner, and everything in here has to do with like sweets and stuff. So when I saw this, I'm like, I want to revive a mini happy planner. I might actually go back to mini happy planner. I don't know, because I kind of miss decorating. I just don't have the time to sometimes. So this is so cute. And then I'm like, what? There's more. This is so pretty. I like the whole muted look. Oh my gosh. There's sticky notes. That's so cute. That's so, oh, nice. It has a good feel. And there's more. Oh my gosh. My birthday was like a month ago, but it feels like my birthday all over again. This is, oh, there's a lot in here. Like, it just, I'm struggling just to take them out. Look, it's my name. How cute. Is this a sticker too, or is it just a die cut? I don't know. Let me see if I could peel the back. I'm not sure. Probably not. It's probably just a die cut, but still, it's still thoughtful. Like I said, her handwriting is so unique. I love it. I am a queen. Oh, yes. Preach. Oh, I love this one. I think this is the clear one, right? Na, 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 na. Oh, yes, it is. It's clear. Oh, love it. Oh, look, it goes with the theme of my notepad and stuff. Absolutely cute. I don't recall the rest, so I think these are just very generous of her. Oh my gosh. Adorable. These are good quality vinyls, you guys. Like, she recently had a sale. I think it ends today. So I feel bad that I'm like talking about it late, because I would have totally been like, guys, go check out our shop now. There's a sale. But oh, it's another clear one. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Self-care queen. These are great quality. Oh my gosh. She's such a great artist. Oh, look at the holographic. I can't even know this. Wow. Gives me like My Little Pony vibes. Oh, is this like backward? Never ever giving up on me. Oh, that's cute. I think this is great if you have something clear and you want to put it under like so. Like, wow. Cool. Oh. No way. Yo, these are magnets. Bro, I didn't even know she had magnets. How dope. Oh my gosh. Savannah, you are awesome. Thank you so much. Let me take you out of the little pod. Like, oh my gosh, how adorbs. Thank you so much. And thank you guys for tuning in. Please check out, her name is Savvy. She has amazing art. So cute. Wait. So you guys were on this. So, oh wow. Wow. Oh, I'll just put on this one. This one's easier. Wow. My planner cart has just gotten so much cooler. Thank you, Savannah. Oh my gosh. All right, y'all, check her out. Where do I put the card? Once again, thanks for watching. Check her out. Okay, this is her info. I don't know if it's zooming in well or like if it's focusing. I don't think it's focusing, but yep. Her name is savvy.com. All right, check her out and check out my links down below too. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.